Good afternoon, guys. Aurora here. Today I will be installing a bidet into my living room. I have already installed one in our master bedroom, and I'm just gonna show you how to do this. You do not need any tools other than what you have in here. You don't even need any Phillips screw or anything like that. So I'm gonna tell you what we have here. This is the bidet hose, and this is our holder, which is actually this is gonna sit like this once you have put this thing together like that. Okay, and this is the head of the sprayer and sprayer head, and this is the T-bulb with shut off switch. So when you finally install them, and each and every time you use, please do not forget to turn it off. All right, because what if you're not home and your bidet starts to flood? This is to prevent from flooding, so you turn it off each and every time after you use. So the washer is just an extra because there's already a washer inside. And so this one is a white tape. What this do is that you take this off and you wrap this thread around. This is to prevent leakage. So let's go ahead and install this, but before we dive down to it, please support my channel by liking and subscribing, and let's get this video going. Okay, the very first thing we need to do, we must turn off the water supply. To do that, you turn the water supply to turn right, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So turn off the supply is turn right, and we need to empty the tank. To do that, we must flush the toilet. So it is now empty. The water supply is off. The next step we need to do is to connect the T-bulb, which is this one. Okay, before we install the T-bulb, we must first put this white tape. And we can just run it once. Not much. All you have to do, just put that in the thread. There you go. At least I have 2 lapses in there. All right, and let's do the other side. All right. Good, and we also need to put one with this head. All right. There you go. Now we got it ready. We need to install the T-bulb to the water supply. Okay, just in case it will leak, put some towel on the very bottom, and let's go ahead and unlock this hose from the bottom of your tank. Oh no, it's leaking right now. Let me see if the water is totally empty from the tank. So there is still water. We need to make sure that it's totally empty. All right. All right, let's try again. It's normal. It's the water from the leftover from the tank. Here we go. It's almost there. So you see that thread? We also need to put white tape. This tape, we need to put that one right here before we put the T-bulb. Okay, let's dry the tape a little bit. It's a little bit wet. And now we have to put this tape. It's probably like at least 4 inches long. So let's go ahead and wrap that around. All right. Okay, so we are ready to install the T-bulb. Make sure the T-bulb switcher is going outwards, that side. So when you turn it off, it's easy for you to reach. You don't want to do that. It needs to be this way. Let's go ahead and install the T-bulb. Okay, that's very tight. Now let's hook the water supply to the bottom. Okay. Make sure it's tight. Okay. Very tight. There you go. Next, we need to install the hose. Now you must probably wondering which end. This bigger one, it's the one that's going to the head. This is going to the water supply. So let's go ahead and put that at the back and just wind it to the right. It's very tight. Okay. And now let's hook the head of the bidet. All right, let's install the head. Okay, now let's put this holder at the corner of this tank. Now, here we go. Now let's go try this one now, see if it works. So the first thing we need to do is turn on the water to see if there's any leakage. All right, we are ready to turn on the water supply. Here we go. No leakage. Looks good. All right. Wow. All right. Now let's try our bidet. See if it works. Of course, I have this switcher off. Let's turn that on. Let's turn the switcher on. This is going down is off. So you turn it up. All right, turn it up. Now, whoa, it works. The pressure is very good too. Holy cow. All right. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Again, this is how you turn it off if you're not using. Turn it down. Just switch it down. That's how you turn it off. after each use. Okay. All right, that was very fast and easy. The bidet is ready to go. Very strong pressure. You want to try it? See? Holy cow, that works. All right, thank you for watching, guys.